Thank you. Well, it is my great honor to deliver the very first in-person keynote at this conference. It's like first time in 3D, I guess, right? Okay. And in my presentation, I'm going to talk about the challenges of operations management of the assembly line, including assembly line balancing, work cell layout, and other relevant operations management tasks, which we collectively called assembly line fitness analytics. And I'm going to discuss how digital twin concept, which is, I guess, one of the extremely popular and concepts within Industry 4.0, how this digital twin can help to address those challenges. So this is an outline of the presentation. So we'll start with a short introduction, and then we're going to review the evolution of assembly line in the last 109 years and 2 weeks, actually. Then we're going to review assembly line planning, existing approaches and challenges to assembly line planning. Then I'm going to introduce digital twin and overview the use cases, how we can use this digital twin to facilitate those operations management applications. So as you all probably know what assembly line is, I'm not going to repeat this definition. Well, assembly line is the key operation within the automotive industry. This is where all the thousands of parts get put together to produce the vehicle, and that's where all majority of labor concentrated within automotive industry. So as you all probably know, assembly line was pioneered by Henry Ford 109 years and 2 weeks ago. We celebrate October 7th. That's when we celebrate the anniversary of assembly line introduction. So this is, we have photos from the very first. It's 1913 on the right-hand side, on the left-hand side from your side. This is an assembly line at Highland Park, Michigan, producing Model T. And the second picture is from 1924. And thanks to assembly line, Ford, by 1924, Ford was able to produce over 10 million Model T assembly lines. And at that time, the idea to bring unit to the workers rather than bringing worker teams to the unit, it was game changing. So first of all, it allowed to help, it helped to reduce the production time for the single unit from over 12 hours to just 93 minutes. And in addition to increasing the pay